How to back up a WordPress site manually from cPanel. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cPanel dashboard. On the cPanel dashboard, scroll down and click on the WordPress section under Applications. Now, on the WordPress page, click on My Applications. Here, you will see all the WordPress sites installed in your cPanel. Now, select the website you want to back up and click on the Backup option. On the Backup page, choose the first option to create a backup directly on your hosting server. Next, you can enter a suitable name or label for your backup so it's easy to identify later. Once that's done, click on the Backup button. Now the backup process will start. It may take a few minutes depending on the size of your website. And that's it. Your WordPress site has been successfully backed up manually. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.